Understanding Out of the Running, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms and phrases, focusing on a particularly interesting one, out of the running. Stick around to find out what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you remember it easily. Out of the running is an idiom that means no longer being considered as a contender or candidate in a competition or selection process. This phrase can be applied to various situations, from sports and competitions to job interviews and elections. It essentially indicates that a person or entity has lost the chance to win or be selected for something. The phrase, out of the running, originates from the world of horse racing, where it referred to a horse that had no chance of winning a race, either due to falling too far behind or being withdrawn from the competition. Over time, its usage expanded to other competitive contexts, maintaining the essence of being removed from consideration for victory or selection. Using out of the running in sentences is straightforward. It's typically used to describe situations where someone or something is no longer in contention for a prize, position, or opportunity. Here are some examples to illustrate its use. After the final interview, I felt that I was out of the running for the job. With their star player injured, the team is now out of the running for the championship. Several other idioms and phrases convey similar meanings to out of the running. These include out of contention, similarly indicates no longer having a chance to win. No longer in the race, a direct metaphor to not being part of a competition anymore. Off the table generally means no longer under consideration, often used outside the context of competitions. Understanding these can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express nuances in different situations. That's a wrap on out of the running. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase, making your journey of English learning a bit more colorful. Remember, idioms like these add flavor to your language skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.